From the very beginning in nursing school, I realized that the elderly population was where I wanted to be. It's just a very rewarding field, and I don't want to do anything else. You have to kind of balance that sense of family in order to kind of keep your sanity in some cases. Um, but it's well worth it. I would say just grace, um, patience, um, just the ability to take things at face value and not read into things or have an agenda. Sometimes something just is, and you have to learn that, and it's not something you have control over or